Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Zypher network token on Binance Alpha. So Zypher network or POP token just get listed on Binance Alpha. And if you want to buy it, I will show you how. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So first, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box in the top here. And then you can search pop for Zypher, search it, and then you can scroll until you find pop on alpha. This one, pop on alpha, and then this is the charts. So for the charts perspective, I think it's really good because it's not quickly down, and if I can make price prediction, I believe it will be triple from this price. So let's see the details by click info in the top. 24-hour high, low, and the volume is really good, and there are more than 1 billion pop. So yeah, the volume is good. So I think it will be one triple than this price, but this is not financial advice and you have to do your own research. And yeah, so you can see the audit here in the top, you can read it, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom. Then you can choose instant buy. You can swap your BNB or other token to pop, or you can just limit order here. You can place the order here. You can place the price you want to buy, and the amount of the pop. It's up to you, and you can just click buy pop. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.